I'm Peter van Skalkwyk, the CEO of XMPro and the co-chair of the Natural Resources Working Group at the Digital Twin Consortium. I'm also the co-author of a recently published book on building industrial digital twins. XMPro is a no-code application composition platform that enables subject matter experts like engineers to create sophisticated real-time apps and digital twins without coding. We typically work with asset-intensive industries like mining, oil and gas, and manufacturing to help them respond to critical events in real time. We chose to integrate with the Bentley iTwin platform because interactive 3D visualizations are becoming increasingly important for organizations in these industries, where many reliability and operational engineers have been forced to work remotely due to COVID-19 restrictions. These visualizations are also critical for monitoring areas that might be difficult or too dangerous to access, like the inside of a blast furnace where the temperature can be 2300 degrees Fahrenheit. With XMPro and Bentley iTwin, you can build and deploy real-time digital twins in days without coding. First, you create a data stream to orchestrate the flow of real-time data. Then you design the visualizations using our drag and drop designer, and finally you can set up rule-based recommendations to trigger when specific events. Here you can see a Bentley iTwin model embedded in the XMPro application. The app is receiving live data from sensors in the plant, which can trigger a recommendation alert if the values fall outside of a specific threshold. The pump in the iTwin model is flashing, indicating that there is some issue that needs to be addressed. We can click on the pump and this will take us to a page with more detail about the asset. Here we can look at the pump's real-time health in more detail and see any recommendation alerts that are currently pending. The recommendation alerts show you the real-time data that triggered it, and it is the same real-time data that caused the pump to flash in the iTwin model. To act on this alert, you can request a work order, view the triage instructions, or start a discussion with your team. Once the work is completed, you can mark it as resolved. Now I'm going to show you how to integrate with the iTwin model in our apps. If we open this app in edit mode, you'll see that we have a toolbox with different categories and blocks on the left. You can drag the iTwin block from the toolbox onto the canvas. If you click on page data, you'll see that we've connected this app to a live data source that is sending telemetry like flow rate to our app. Now that you've added the iTwin block to your canvas, you can start configuring it. You can make changes to the appearance, enter your integration detail, and select your data source. When we launch the app, we can interact with the embedded iTwin model and use real-time data to indicate where the engineers need to direct their attention. With XMPro and Bentley iTwin, industrial organizations can get better visibility into their assets and operations, whether it is visualizing the process in a refinery, monitoring pumps in a water treatment plant, or enabling a plant manager to virtually walk their factory or production line.